Gold yesterday created a bullish candle. It was a bullish breakout above 2653.45, a resistance level, and it is also a supply zone here where the sellers are waiting, which is also a confluence of resistance. We can see that currently, and we have here a upward channel, a trend line which is acting as a resistance. So we have a bullish breakout here. I have mentioned yesterday that it's very important to see how the price will behave around this area, around 2662.90, and below that it was 2634.86. We can see yesterday the price has formed these bullish breakouts, trying to make a bullish move to the upwards, and we can see that on the 4-hour time frame this bullish breakout still didn't happen. Yesterday I have informed the traders when this bullish breakout has been formed with the target right here at around 2662 price level. This was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. If you would like also to receive this kind of information during the day when the breakout happens, feel free to check the link for the premium analysis. Now we can see that also on the 1-hour time frame, this bullish breakout is still not active, but the daily time frame is currently showing me a bullish breakout, which needs to be confirmed today. How it will be confirmed? Well, the first level that needs to be broken again is this one here, 2662.90, which is a very important resistance level. We can see that for the last 4 hours, and that means 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 16 hours, the price cannot make a bullish breakout. It is very important resistance level. If it breaks above, this means that the price will try to reach higher price levels, where the next will be 2676.40, and we can see on the daily time frame this area is around probably right here, 26172, and we can see that right here. So this will be the next target for the price if the price makes a bullish breakout. First of all, I will watch also 1-hour time frame how the price will behave around this area, and also 4-hour time frame around this area, and we'll see what happens when the breakout happens. If it breaks to the upper side, which means a bullish breakout, this will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. And also if the price returns back down, which is also possible, the price could go down further, reaching again around this area of support, and probably here. This will be also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. If you would like to be notified, feel free to check the link. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.